Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Monday 11th March 2025. 10th March 2025 UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number member only prediction boom. 3 hot number member only prediction boom number 8, number 35 and number 41. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction number 9, number 13, number 22, number 34, number 43, booster number 7. UK 49's tea time prediction first number 5, number 17, number 20, number 39, number 44, booster number 31. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel now. Good luck, see you soon next video. Bye bye.